Hi guys, and welcome to another Pips Revolution video. Today I bring you a cryptocurrency called SNX. Right now we can see that price grabbed some liquidity around this zone. We can see a bearish block and a bullish order block with a nice down movement. So the first thing we want to do is look for some imbalances, some zones we can possibly target. Right now I can see that I have this imbalance right here and this imbalance right here. So where the market is moving right now, we can see that we have a nice liquidity grab around this area, but the market can still continue the bullish momentum. We need more confirmations, and for that I go down to the 4-hour time frame and I look for possible bullish or bearish blocks and some important order blocks. As we can see, I don't have much information in here. I have some consolidation. I have the imbalance of the 4-hour time frame here, so I can go down to the 2-hour time frame and look for further confirmations. I can see that we have bullish block with a bearish order block. This is a significant level, so I'm gonna mark it right here. We can see that after this up movement we have bullish order block, so it's another important level. And I can see that we have an order block right here, bullish order block. So I don't forget about these candles. This candle right here is a liquidity grab candle for me. This one too. So we have two movements that indicate some liquidity grab around this area. Okay, we saw in the 1-day time frame that we have a liquidity grab, but as a confirmation you can see clearly here that the 2-hour time frame we have some liquidity grab candles. So when this order block was made, we can see a clear break of the structure, and now I can look for confirmations in here. So what do? I go down to the 50 minutes time frame and I look for possible confirmations to go short or go long. In here we can see that we have a nice consolidation around this zone and we have a fair value gap. It's just a fancy name to say imbalance for me. So this is a nice trade. I can show you right now that we took this trade. So as you can see, we have this trade. We've made this position as I show you right now. As you can clearly see, you don't have to have complicated strategies. You can have a simple strategy based on simple repricing. And my targets right now will be this 2-hour zone, okay, and this one too. This was my order block zone, and this was my bullish block with a bearish order block zone. Okay, for me it's important zones. You can see here too that we have a fair value gap, so this will be a zone for me too to take partials. So in this trade I will have 1 partial, 2 partials and 3 partials. My last targets will be around this zone. So when I take my first partial, all of my positions will be risk-free. My stop loss will be equal to my break-even, and so this will be a nice trade. Right now I can see that it's running at about 1.71% of profit. Let's see how it rolls. If you want to get updates about our positions and our type of investments, please make sure to join our channels, and I see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.